What's up everybody, my name is Robin and today I want to talk to you about investing into yourself with this stimulus money. Because I've been watching the talk online and I know that a lot of you guys are going to go out there and do something stupid with this stimulus check. Listen up, if you have bad credit, that means you get a high interest rate on all the money you borrow. So that 20% interest rate that you have on this $25,000 car loan is costing you an additional $15,000 after just 5 years of payments. So the question is, what are you doing to yourself? Are you trying to work forever to pay off that debt? Now let's look at the same car loan for someone with good credit. With a 7% interest rate, after 5 years, you have less than $5,000 worth of interest to borrow the same amount of money. That 100-point difference in your credit score just saved you $10,000. And that's just a car loan. Can you imagine if that was a loan for a house? Good credit doesn't just save you money, it gives you freedom. Before you go out and buy something that you don't need, or put a down payment on something that gets you into a loan with a terrible interest rate, invest in yourself and let me fix your credit. So sign up for a free consultation and put that stimulus money into something that will really stimulate you.